Introducing our new ICT Silver Bullet Indicator. This indicator is built around the ICT's Silver Bullet strategy. The strategy has 5 steps for execution and works best in 1 to 5 minute timeframes. For more information about the process, check the How Does It Work section. Features of the new ICT Silver Bullet Indicator. Implementation of ICT's Silver Bullet strategy. Customizable execution settings. 2 New York sessions and London session. Customizable backtesting dashboard. Alerts for buy, sell, take profit and stop-loss signals. How does it work? ICT's Silver Bullet strategy has 5 steps. Step 1. Open TradingView, go to Indicator section and type ICT Silver Bullet a flux chart. Step 2. Mark your market sessions open. This indicator has 3 New York 10 to 11, New York 14 to 15, LDN 03 to 04. Step 3. Mark the swing liquidity points. Step 4. Wait for market to take down one liquidity side. Step 5. Look for a market structure shift for reversals. Step 6. Wait for a fair value gap FVG for execution. This indicator follows these steps and inform you step by step by plotting them in your chart. You can switch execution types between FVG and MSS. This indicator is an all-in-one suit for the ICT's Silver Bullet concept. It's capable of plotting the strategy, giving signals, a backtesting dashboard, and alerts feature. It's designed for simplifying a rather complex strategy, helping you to execute it with clean signals. The backtesting dashboard allows you to see how your settings perform in the current ticker. You can also set up alerts to get informed when the strategy is executable for different tickers. General configuration. Execution type. FVG execution type will require a FVG to take an entry, recommended for 1 minute time frame, while the MSS, recommended for 5 minute time frame, setting will take an entry as soon as it detects a market structure shift. MSS swing length. The swing length when finding liquidity zones for market structure shift detection. Breakout method. If wick is selected, a bar wick will be enough to confirm a market structure shift. If close is selected, the bar must close above or below the liquidity zone to confirm a market structure shift. FVG detection, same type, means that all 3 bars that form the FVG should be the same type. Bullish or bearish. All means that bar types may vary between bullish or bearish. FVG detection sensitivity. You can turn this setting on and off. If it's off, any 3 consecutive bullish or bearish bars will be calculated as FVGs. If it's on, the size of FVGs will be filtered by the selected sensitivity. Lower settings mean less but larger FVGs. TP or SL. TP or SL method. If fixed is selected, you can adjust the TP or SL ratios from the settings below. If dynamic is selected, the TP or SL zones will be auto-determined by the algorithm. Risk. The risk you're willing to take if dynamic TP or SL method is selected. Higher risk usually means a better win rate at the cost of losing more if the strategy fails. Close position at session end. If this setting is enabled, the current position, if any, will be closed at the beginning of a new session, regardless if it hit the TP or SL zone. If it's off, the position will be open until it hits a TP or SL zone. Thank you. Please subscribe and press the bell icon.